If you know of a German AI startup called Helsing AI, you would also know that it has raised 100 million euros from an investor. That's pretty impressive, but that's also business as usual for successful AI companies. What is not business as usual is the statement that Helsing AI has put out. The German AI startup is saying that its AI technologies are designed to work with deep democracies. It is aligning itself ideologically with certain nations. In other words, Helsing AI is going vertical from the get-go. Turn to India. Tesla is in various stages of discussions with the government there, but the government of India is saying to Tesla that it could not sell electric vehicles in India that had made in China parts. India is turning Tesla to become a vertical business. But what is a vertical business? The idea came from my coworker who has written a new book called The World is Vertical. He's making the argument that globalization that was open and accessible is now morphing into something else. He calls the new design of globalization and that of the world vertical. He's saying that technology is now remaking globalization and hence is going to transform the future and fortunes of every company, city, and country. So a vertical business is actually the new design of business to remain competitive and become successful in the vertical world. So how does every business becoming vertical actually change the future? Here are a couple of thoughts. First, as the world goes vertical, operations of companies will be fragmented because countries are reclaiming sovereignty with technology and are creating vertical barriers. As that happens, market accessibility, distribution of products, movement of talent, ideas, investments, innovation, everything will transform. Second, as technology remakes globalization, there will be new alliances based on ideologies as well as values. As that happens, that will redefine global markets. So as a global business, you will need to pick which market you can access and which market you may not be allowed to access. That will absolutely rupture the global footprint of most global companies. So as a leader of a business, what is going to be your strategy to turn your business into a vertical business?